The next one, so let's move to all the AI we can find on Canva, also called the magic the magic try. I think there's a name they call it, called magic something. There are a lot of those magic ideas over here, and then you can use some of those magic to get a lot done. So let's just go directly into maybe any layout. Let me go into any layout. This is presentation layout, and over here you can see the magic design. Yeah, there is the word try magic design. So even from presentation, I think I click on presentation. So let me click on magic design. Use five or more words to describe your presentation. Okay, um let me talk about all about fraction. So it simply means that this time, all about fraction for year 5. So let's see what will come out. So that means Canva can now generate automatically a slide for us that we can use to teach. Check it out. So this is the slide, and it simply means that Canva can now do everything in terms of slide presentation. So you can, I think, can I edit? No, I can't edit. Okay, this is everything. Okay, what are fraction? This, that, everything about fraction. So I'll just click on create my presentation. Yep. So by the time I create my presentation, so what do I need to do? So I'm just going to be changing. Can I change the technology is new and improving? Okay, no problem, we know it is still new. So I think I can change this, but this I can't change. So I will still, if I'm you, I will just take this, delete, and write something about fraction there. The next one, I can edit all of this. So this is Canva. Canva can now generate a slide. So apart from we searching for the type of slide we want, oh, I want this slide, I want this slide. So over here, Canva generating slide 100% that you can use to teach in the classroom, and you are fine. So I'll be right with more videos.